Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we'll go for a as I said that vlog is coming soon. So yeah, we'll go. Starting the video with this scent. Now scent I put it. Now friends are going to come. We'll go to Vega City a short tour and we'll see what is coming. We'll go and we'll wait for the cab to come. Guys, Harshit is here.
Hello.
So, Harshit, are you excited for the vlog?
Yes. This is a special vlog. Comment down next vlog.
Yes, comment down. Okay? Until then, see some bureaus.
And when cab comes, we'll meet you there.
We have another special person, Nirgund here.
Hi.
Nirgund, how are you feeling for the vlog?
Yeah, I'm feeling fine.
Fine.
Yeah.
How exciting you are for the vlog?
100% excited.
Oh, Nirgund is very excited.
Yeah. But one thing is that you just need 2 more subscribers for 70.
Yeah.
People who are watching, please subscribe.
63.3% has subscribed. 36.7% did not subscribe. So guys, I am down now, and you subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are new. And before the cab come like the video, share the video, enjoy the video. Okay guys, with this person a small jadugiri happened in his pocket.
Suddenly
100 rupees
100
came.
popped up in my pocket.
Nirgund is a very funny banda who makes everyone funny banda. Okay guys, until the cab comes. If you are new to our YouTube channel, subscribe to my channel. And after this video, complete my 30 Guys, now a small pop-up happened with us. Down you can see it is raining here down. I will show you 1 second. It is guys, it is raining here. Don't know what happens. Maybe what happens, but the vlog may not skip. I will make sure the vlog comes on the time, on near to 10:30 the time. Please don't miss my vlog. Both are leaving us and going, guys. Okay, you people are there for me. That is enough for me. See, they both. Start both of them.
Share this
video. And we are expecting 10K views.
Guys, there is a plane going shortly. I cannot show you. It is going in a high, and it's like my camera shaking. Guys, in this both Royal Enfield and KTM, which bike you like? Comment down in comment section. This is my bike. Did you notice something? Comment down what is the Royal Enfield and KTM model name, and in middle there is some scooter. Right, what is the scooter's name? I won't say, people need to guess. Clue is it is Activa scooter. Guess it fast. Guys, we are not going in cab actually, we are going in auto. So
Lot of
Nirgun's
karma
reaction was
happening.
there, why can't we go in cab? So it takes 15-20 minutes there. So our auto is waiting outside. Let's go into the auto and
Let's go to auto and start.
yes, let's go. Finally we are inside.
Yes. Auto.
Yeah, fine.
Yes, let's continue this. Guys, this is the Range Rover Velar which I was seeing for my dream car, and wantedly we buy this I-20.
Finally, we are in main road.
Yes.
Again, as I expected.
So guys, this is that Bannerghatta metro which they are going to build. That is a prestige house which you can see. And I hope my audio is coming properly because I am traveling in this small auto. I hope until now you are enjoying the video. Enjoy. We'll continue this video in.
We continue this video after we cross Meenakshi.
And after Meenakshi Mall, we'll go to Vega City. There we'll continue again.
Until then,
Take care and bye bye.
See ya.
Henry peace. I hope until now you are enjoying the video. Enjoy. We'll continue this video in.
We continue this video after we cross Meenakshi.
And after Meenakshi Mall, we'll go to Vega City. There we'll continue again.
Until then,
Take care and bye bye.
See ya.
Henry peace. Guys, we are now going to reach the Meenakshi Mall and the auto is very shaking.
यहाँ का रोड ढंग से नहीं बनाया गया.
So I'm going to show my school review. Now my school will be coming. See this side. Sri Chaitanya.
321
Not this
98.
apartment side of that.
Sri Chaitanya Techno School.
This is our school campus. There is a lot of traffic here, so we'll meet you when I go to Vega City. I will show you. So we'll meet you in Vega City. Guys, now we are about to reach Vega City. Now we are on the way and there is a lot of traffic here.
Tell this is Advait Hyundai.
Advait Hyundai. Finally we are inside this Vega City and you can see building and the entrance, and this is the Vega City. We are going inside. After going inside the mall, I will meet you. Small children, you can go into that or inside this or inside that. See these both brothers. System which they gift is absolutely nice. My phone is wet, guys. We are inside this Vega City now. There is a very good place. Guys, this is what the feeling is. Inside Vega City, inside a very good place, and friends,
Starbucks
the
is also
Starbucks. The Starbucks. Guys, I missed that area which the movies. Popcorn, just many popcorns. Can you eat, guys? Guys, in this tree which traditional you like, we are into Vega City, we are into a big mall, and there is a Burger King offer the Whoopers. If you like that, you can eat it. Nirgund also like eating Whoopers here. If you are vegetarian, eat veg. If you're non-vegetarian, you can eat non-veg. We're into that, and now we are going to Toy Rush.
That is the virtual reality area.
Wow,
Lego.
what we do?
Lego.
The Lego.
And that is
Now we'll do the Toy Rush tour. Come on. This character. Who is this logo? Guess that and send me in comment section. So we'll go inside. Entering the Toy Rush and you will get this amazing gun. And guys, if you are a Nerf gun fan, you can buy the unlimited guns are here. You can buy anything. This is some baby 6 to 9 months clothes you will get. For the car
and this
and
is
the
drones.
drone people. Car lovers especially guys. Car lovers.
If you want a drone buying review, please subscribe and like the videos. It needs to be 1K. And see this dogs. This attached with skateboard.
Oh, this thing, it's even in Augie. Harshit bought a Toy Rush pet here.
No way.
Guys, this, at least some of the another time I need to buy this. Favorite and my dream car, Bugatti Chiron. Nirgun's dream car.
It's my second dream car. My dream car to ye hai. My second dream car is Ford Mustang GT350R, which is this one. The MRP is 3,499.
We are going to show the drone review.
This is the
We are
Phantom 2.4G HZ.
We are not going to open it. Ignore the background music.
Let's
And
see the
the price.
MRP. Oh my, it is 6,000. No, it's 5,000. 6,999, which is 7,000.
Yes, guys.
Expensive.
I
You can
wish-
gift it to your 12-year-old son in your birthday. He will like it.
I wish someone would gift me this thing and I would show the drone view for you.
And
There's so many, lots of drones there are.
guys, if anybody is Kaushik's friend, please gift him this, because he'll make a drone 4K real life review.
If you want the real life review, you can.
And also you can fold these. The price is 12,999, which
It's
is
just 12,003 or 300. Means like 1,300. You think it's a very good drone you can give for your wish. And you can see the big drone here, which connects mobile.
It has Wi-Fi in it.
Wi-Fi connection, camera attached.
Well, let's see the
Guys.
price of this. 10,999, which is
It's very
11,000.
expensive, guys. And there is a big also. You can give
But this is much cheaper compared to Phantom and this drone.
better to gift
Yeah.
this for your friends.
This is cool. And as you can see, it is 14 plus.
14 plus age. Now I am 14. You can gift. And the best off-road. Guys, what else you want in this Toy Rush and what else you want in this Vega City?
And this is Formula 1. This is Bumblebee robot. I never know that this can transform using that battery operator.
Guys, our all dream cars, all dreams gifts are also here. And Nerf is also here. Your favorite cars are here also. Did you observe anything? It's that American or London police bikers gift. And the insane, you can gift these cars. All the train vehicles are here. This is also
Our
here.
parents didn't allow us to buy.
To be some architecture, there is a challenge for you. You need to build this city in your own city and show.
Even there is a transformer there.
Transformer, let him show.
Yeah.
Guys, this is something insane. A transformer, and you see this, the aircraft. Psych. This and all, guys.
Real gold, find it. And
It's a very nice.
if you are a good lover of aviation, you can buy this.
Sale
The price is 250.
Yeah, it's 250, 249, 250.
Guys,
If you like Apache and all, you
army
can buy it.
lovers,
And one
only
thing,
come here.
this is only in Toys R Us. This is what I've observed. It's an American company that makes aviational toys like these.
Yes.
Even you can build this helicopter.
Mechanics.
अपना वो
Build your own
Helicopter.
helicopter.
मैकेनिक देख सकते हो.
Hot Wheels.
This is a Fast and Furious car. These all are just drift cars used for drag races.
There is even a driver sitting in this
Yeah.
car.
Uno games, card games you can play with your family. Guys, there is a space buggy for you people. You can make play and gift for your friends also.
Yeah.
There is a lot of gift to gift for you people.
Dinosaurs. This is Cretaceous. If you are a dinosaur lover, kindly visit Vega City
And-
Toys R Us.
And if you want to prank, you can take this. Just pull this out, you will get current.
You want to buy a good gift for your children, you can buy this. This is the card games.
And this is a puzzle. You just
London
need to
Bridge,
build it.
Taj Mahal. Card games you can play here. There is something bomb which you can prank. Especially this is a better gift for your children's.
I've seen most of the kid vloggers vlogging about this.
And
It's
here is one more thing. If you come,
bat.
The cricket lovers, guys, mostly they won't see nothing. So Nirgund is going to play cricket in Vega City Toys.
and even you can learn this.
Yeah.
This
From
is
the tab.
globe map.
This is very interesting. It makes your mind more creative.
Guys, until now, if you like the video, like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And what else you need in this Toys? It is a very good and very nice gaming. Everything is here.
And what is inside this? I never know.
Very nice.
They started to make Harry Potter toys now.
Yeah, I will show you the Harry Potter toy.
It's quite a bit of.
If you are a Harry Potter lover, you may see this. Harry Potter may use this in his movie. I have not seen Harry Potter's movie.
It's type of a toy house for ladies, kids. Harry Potter is also one. Bro,
Hey, who are you, man?
I'm your friend.
I am Thanos.
Vasnya is
I-
coming.
And I need all.
I am the Deadpool. I will kill you if you don't.
I will
support
flop
the
like
justice.
this, and everyone will vanish. But I don't have any.
Gun's
to Burger
mom is
King.
back. Hello, auntie, say to
Hey,
my
hey,
YouTube
hey.
friend. So, auntie, how is the experience coming into my YouTube channel?
Amazing, I love it.
Yes, everyone likes this toy.
Lego City
Yes.
Mars is there, but they don't have any Legos over here.
This is the wool manufacture they'll do here.
Oh my god, it's cotton candy.
Gordon Ramsay
Oh my.
warfare area. So guys, it's the time I guess to leave this
And
toy
before
rush.
leaving, we'll show you again.
And
Nerf
again, when the
And
experience of the
again,
Nerf
if you're a
gun is
fan,
very
gun.
nice.
Nerf fan, come visit Vega City, buy anything you want. But this doesn't have Nerf Mega Mastodon. It only has a Nerf.
Nerf guns fan should buy and should visit Vega City. Okay, time to leave this toy rush. This is the toy and the people where they'll play hotels. You can enjoy a lot. You can enjoy They're making so many things, and you can play something entertainment also. And the cat and this thing chocolate fans also can try the chocolates here, and the games fans of course Tyrus, and there is the so many food courts here, Subway, McDonald's, KFC, Domino's and all. There is so much, and up if you go you will get theater areas and all. This is the tattoo. Okay, now we'll go something to eat, guys. Like we are damn hungry after coming to this. Only yeah, I know I only showed just Tyrus. There is not much to show in Tyrus. What and where I showed about Tyrus is very only for kids and gameplay people, and also can go. And the most thing, Shiv Sagar is here. Then what else you want in food? Let's go. This is how they make pizza.
Guys, Kaushik ordered cheese and corn, a Mirinda juice, and a plain garlic bread. Me also same in juice and garlic bread, but I took fresh veggie. Whereas Harshu, he ordered peppy paneer.
Hi. And I ordered peppy paneer, juice and chocolate cake.
Yeah, he ordered a chocolate cake, non-stuffed garlic bread, and a Mirinda juice.
Too much of food here. Here, ice cream, French fries.
Charvi. Met Charvi's mother.
This is Charvi's mother.
Guys, this is going to be our
Amazing. Wish more inside it would be.
guys, we have completed our
Mask please, or it's cold.
mask. Yeah, mask is a permanently.
And hold it meanwhile, brother.
We have completed our pizza, whatever you call. We are going to into washroom now. I'll call you. I will make you later. So guys, we have completed our pizza, whatever you call it. No, pizza only you call. What else you call? Try this. We are going to play some 3D or some visual effects. It's over there.
Believe it.
And we'll go there and then we'll continue. Until then, see, it's a big vlog.
Guys, as you can see, our friend Akshu is playing the This is the roller coaster. This is a tank for kids. This is some jet experience I played in it. And God knows what is this. Maybe aircraft or overcraft. Let's see Akshu's. Clutch and all.
What is this?
Oh, Logitech. Bro, it's Logitech. Oh my.
Play. Guys, this is going to be something insane. Now Harshit is going. Now next.
And guys, this is Logitech as you can see. It's Logitech, it's thousands. There is Arshu's race. It's hockey. The location is in Germany and it's some hockey in GP, I think. Oh, yeah, and that's the pit stop.
UV Hamilton is on his way.
Hey, it's not Lewis and you can never be. Bro, come take a turn. Nice, bro. And guys, Harshu is and guys, Harshu, this is what happens if you are not pro in racing. I am pro in racing. I am number one. And he is number one, same like me. See. Harshu is getting ultimate karmas today. They also do Formula racing with this GP. He's not hitting that thing though. Hey, he's not using that gear shifter, bro. Well, Harshu crashed. He got a big karma.
That's it, guys. It is end of Harshit, the Formula racer.
Guys, our masterpiece racer is going. Cheese, bro. And meanwhile, he gets the VR.
Travel with me.
And meanwhile, yeah, he got the headset. Well, looks like a big pro.
Accelerator. Okay. Middle one break. Okay.
And our pro has started the biggest race in the world.
इसका भी कुछ दिखेगा नहीं.
हाँ, वो सच है. Lap one, go.
देखो. क्या ही करेगा. ऑडी खा रहा है.
Audi आने को.
डोंट गया.
Bro, don't laugh, bro. It's difficult. In real, though, you will die. Follow the tarot marks, bro. You can go at speed over here. Do drift if you want. Got the controls. Slow, bro, slow. Take a turn. Go in speed. Go. Let's have a focus at this. Go, bro. And sweat is coming for our boy. Come on, pro, you can do it. He was also a pro driver.
Yes. लेकिन मुझे steering.
But it was VR, that's why it was difficult. Make sure to subscribe and like on Kaushik's channel, KS Vlogs. Here is our part.
Basically, I am a Hindi boy. In middle, I'll say Hindi words. Okay. Don't worry about that. And see the dress.
Well, here we are.
I am driving body.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah. You can buy it if you want to in real, but you need to have money.
Actually, I wanted to ride McLaren Senna.
Oh, but it's only Audi. Bro, you record. I don't know. Nirgon, how you will drive?
I don't know, I'm becoming scared about that. McLaren is there. McLaren is there. Can I drive it?
Aris, see this guy.
Final lap, come on, come on. Sure.
Go boy, go, you can do it. Hey, don't shake.
Uncle, it's my time.
So guys, now Nirgund is going. Comment me down how was I riding. The racer Nirgund is ready.
How was it?
Fantastic, auntie. So Nirgund is going to start his car. There he goes.
Nirgun is a racer. He is doing really nice.
Come on, Nirgund, come on. So this was the video, guys. If you like the we'll continue the video more. So how was the racing? How did I drive? That you comment me. This was just a little bit okay because it was a VR also. And 1 second, the voice is low back. Yeah, this was the race today of the VR. If you like the race, you see, you comment only. If you come to Vega, this is the best which you can go, and it's the best game which you will get. Okay, let's continue the video further. That was a cool drift, come on! Oh shit! Come on, Nirgund! Guys, now Nirgund is going. Push the brakes. Brake and middle. Come on. Leave accelerator.
Accelerate.
So Nirgun, he was driving absolute well. And bro, what is the experience on the Formula car?
Experience
Audi
is,
R8.
yeah, this was my first time in experience. But the brakes and accelerator, I know the places where it was, so I easily used it.
Actually, the problem is, guys, it is a VR, so that if you are a full gamer, means gamer only knows where and what to do. We are just learning, so that's it. Guys, Ashit is saying something new here. Guys, just now we tried another thing. It was a roller coaster. Wow, it was such an.
It was so scary.
Hey, not scary, it was amazing.
Yeah, it was amazing, adventurous.
So it was very scary.
Now we are going down. After dawn, we'll meet. Just now we have went to Apple product and the experience is amazing. And I have decided to buy this thing, MacBook Pro. Let's make the money and then we'll buy. Mostly I am buying for editing, and there is a big monitor which I saw, price 1,93,000. Total includes 2,10,000. So we'll see what to buy, what not to buy, and actually Apple product is very expensive.
And if he will buy the MacBook Pro, then he can start gaming, which means that he can also make gaming videos.
If you want gaming videos, comment. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. And in this video, if you don't get this video into 90 subscribers, now we are some 68. I'm just requesting 22 subscribers more. Please complete it. I'm not forcing you people, but if you like the content, you subscribe. And today I want to near to 75 people should subscribe. Okay, 75 subscribers. Near to 7 subscribers, just the goal. And this video target is likes target. Nirgun will say.
Subscribes, comment and share.
What is the likes target? Nirgun will say.
Likes target is 100.
Complete it fast if you want iMac and if you want gaming. It made his own ice cream from Cold Stone. And
see the taste.
with the gems and the chocolate inside, it is full good chocolate creamy taste, and it's nice. Made his own ice cream from Cold Stone. zone and
see the taste.
guys, finally the shopping is over and now we are again going
I'm
in.
unable to eat the ice cream, but still I should. Karma. Still I should eat.
This much heavy food got over and 1 second. Look at this amazing view. So after sitting in auto again, I will continue until then. What will do? We complete your dinner. Enjoy. Steady. Guys, we are inside the auto, but there is no light here.
Wait, I'll try to. Yeah, now can you see us?
Only Nirgun is able to see.
Come
Look at
straight
it.
to me, come to me.
Now you can able to see me, guys. 1 second. Now we are able to see.
And
So we are inside the auto. We are going to our map. So until we'll reach to the house and we'll talk. We are no more able to make videos. The charge is also now there. So like I may upload this video at 10 o'clock. We'll see what happens. So guys, we are inside the apartment and we'll go fresh up and then I will edit this video and I will send you. Okay? I will edit the video, then I will send you people. Until then, bye.